Is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? Yes, there is a public hospital nearby and it's located across from the Ramayana department store. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? National Bank of Indonesia is located at Jalan Yosudarso across from the railway station and on the right side Chinese restaurant. Where is Ramayana department store? Ramayana department store is located at Jalan Yosudarso on the left side of the Chinese restaurant and across from the public hospital. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, the restaurant is located at Jalan Yosudarso between the National Bank of Indonesia and the Ramayana department store. Can you tell me where the drugstore are, please? Yes, of course. First, go past the Jalan Yosudarso and turn right. The drugstore is on your right, across from the public hospital. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Yes, of course. First, go straight ahead and turn left on Jalan Yosudarso. Railway station is the next to the drugstore and across from the National Bank of Indonesia. What is your hobby? My hobby is cooking, reading, and writing. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually do my hobby in spare time. What do you usually do in your spare time? I usually clean the house, playing with my child, and do my hobbies. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, of course. I always do activities every day. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? Very often. I almost did not have time to rest during activities every day. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually go recreation to the beach, amusement park, and swimming pool.